Stone light filters through workshop windows. Robotic arms start slowly at command, the awakening of every production process. All are the fulfillment of the commitment to quality. Unite and cooperate. Divide work rationally and provide solid support for production and employees. Modernized production base, building an efficient and safe production system. Smooth cut surfaces and dimensionally error-free segments ensure every steel pipe can stand up to the rigors of subsequent manufacturing processes. Rigorous and responsible is the ultimate pursuit of innovation for all members of SOEASY.